everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I decided to do a new hair tutorial for you all, showing how I go from this to this. So I decided that my hair looked really cute in its natural form with this hairstyle, but you know, a girl just wants a little length. She just wants a little hang time. She just wants the hair flowing in the wind. And sometimes with curls, they just go out instead of down. And so I had a little help, and I used my Curl Genetics hair, and it's a virgin natural hair extensions, and they're clip-ins, as you'll see later on in the video. And I just snapped them in, added some water, and this was the finished look. As always, thank you so much for watching this video, and of course, if you are already watching it this far, you should, you know, subscribe. It doesn't hurt to subscribe, because you know, you don't want to miss out on any new videos that I do. You don't want to be looking out from the pit, from the balcony, wondering, what is Aisha uploading? What is she doing next? And you're just out there, just sad and lonely, wondering, while everybody else is just enjoying my videos, just watching, having fun, being great, in the mix, in the sauce, all that. So all you gotta do is subscribe to my channels, give me some comments, show me some love, and then, you know, let's get on to this video. Starting off with an old wash and go, I'm going to part my hair into two sections with a straight line across. And it's perfectly fine to add more hair to the top of your hair and leave a little bit of hair out on the bottom section, as this will leave less to camouflage when you add the extension. Next, taking a spray bottle with water and some conditioner, I'm going to spray the top of my hair and fully saturate it. Using Deva Curls Believe Gel, I'm going to add this to the top of my hair and then use it to slick it down. And make sure you brush all of the sides of your hair, even the back of it. It just makes it look cleaner. Just tie it up with the ponytail and just secure it and pull as tight as you can. Next, I just make a bun on the top of my head, just adding some pins, and then I fluff it out to the desired size that I want the bun to be. So we're gonna slick down those edges, honey. So I'm just gonna take some edge control and an old toothbrush, and I'm just going to add some swirls to the sides of my hairline and make it look really cute in the front. And now we can add the hair, so I'm taking Curl Genetics Virgin Hair Extensions. Next, in that second half of hair that I've left out, I'm going to section off a 1/4 inch of hair and leave that out and just clip the rest of it up. I'm going to apply the track with 5 clip-ins to the very top of that section and just clip all around my head, following my hairline. And then I just snap those babies on. I'm going to keep taking small sections of my hair and just layering the clip-ins right on top. And just continue this process, taking small sections of hair, applying the clip-ins on top, and keep going until only a small layer of hair is left on top. Add some fullness to that leave out section of hair. I'm just going to take some extensions that only have 2 clips and apply them on either side of my head. And just make sure you thoroughly camouflage and hide the clips under that small layer of hair that you've left out. And as you can see, there is a noticeable difference between the length of my hair and the extensions, but of course I'm going to camouflage that in a bit. So I'm going to take my spray bottle once again and thoroughly saturate my hair with water. Next, I'm going to take my Design Essentials Coconut and Minoi Souffle and add this all over my hair from root to tip. Once I've applied that product to my hair, I'm going to spray my hair again and then go over it with a wide tooth comb, making sure that I get all of the tangles out. This will also help to combine my hair with the extensions. Next, I'm going to part my hair into 2 sections and make 2 braids. And I'm just going to twist the ends to make sure that they curl nicely. braid the other side, and then I'm just going to coat both braids with some of that Deva Curl Relieve Gel once again. So once 15 minutes has passed, I'm just going to coat my hands with some oil and take out these braids. And if your hair is still a little wet after taking out the braids, that's fine because I kind of like the wet look for this style. Just fluff out your hair a bit, let it dry a little bit more, and voila, there you have it. So that is the completed video. So if you want to know what type of hair I use, I think I used the 3C Curl Genetics hair, and I'll list the website in the description box below. And I have a combination of 18-inch and 20-inch, but after a while it all just looks like the same length, which is perfectly fine because I can't really tell which is 18 or 20 anymore. And as you can see, it was a super simple hairstyle. I didn't even have to braid up my hair or anything, so it's really, really great for like a really quick on-the-go hairstyle if you're going on a trip that's last minute, if you're going out to an event, a date even. You know, you can just slap these bad boys on. You can do a half up, half down. I've actually added this hair to a ponytail, made it a really long ponytail. I've done a, you know, really big bun, just added this hair. So like the great thing about clip-ins is they're so versatile and so easy to use. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and let me know if you want more hair videos from me. Let me know if there's some other styles that I can show you. Maybe you've seen on my IG and I, you know, haven't put them on my channel yet, and you just said, hey, I want to like have a tutorial on this hairstyle you did from like a week ago, and I'll be like, hey, no problem. I also gotta give a little shout out to NailBae LA, because I don't know if you can tell, I'm in love with these nails. They were on my IG story. I've been shouting them out for like a couple weeks now, and so I really think that y'all should check her out. I'm not even affiliated with her. Like, I get no type of, you know, profit from it, but I just really appreciate small businesses. And the fact that these nails were only $16 when they should be $60 for a full set at a regular nail salon just like blows my mind. So check her out. I'll also link her website at the bottom. And I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in a couple of days. And thanks. Bye. Make it look like real long. Don't be talking during my intro. Damn it.